A man has been sentenced to 10 years imprisonment by the fast-track court after being convicted of heinous crime for raping a minor girl. Additional Sessions Judge Rina Serto, presiding over the crime against Women Fast-Track Court, delivered the verdict after hearing arguments from both the victims and the accused counsels. The convicted individual, identified as Chongtham Durbajat, 28, son of C.H. Shamsundar from Nagamupal, Phogay Sangbam Lekai, has been directed by the court to pay a fine of Rs 5,000 under Section 376 of the Indian Penal Code. In default of payment, the convict will serve an additional 3 months of simple imprisonment. Additionally, the accused has been ordered to pay 5,000 rupees for deceiving the victim under Section 417 of the Indian Penal Code, along with a similar term of 3 months of simple imprisonment. The court further directed the convict to deposit a total fine of 10,000 rupees to the court, with the same amount to be provided as compensation to the victim. The period of judicial custody served by the convict during the investigation and trial will be deducted from the 10-year sentence. Furthermore, the court has recommended the Member Secretary of the Manipur State Legal Services Authority to provide compensation to the victim under the Women Victim Survival of Sexual Assault Other Crime Scheme 2023.